Today we're using versatile products to create a quick and easy everyday makeup look. If that sounds like something that interests you, then let's jump into the video. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I am a huge fan of Merit Beauty, and their products are so versatile, so good for your skin. So I've partnered with them once again to create this video where we're going to do an easy everyday makeup look if you're quickly looking to get out the door. These products are fantastic for that because a few of these products actually do what I call double duty, so you can use them in multiple ways. So first we're going to start off with the Merit Great Skin. This is the Instant Glow Serum. So this product here is a staple in my skincare routine. This is the first product that I use as soon as I wash my face in the morning. This is the first product that goes onto my skin. It's lightweight. It's very hydrating on the skin. I also use it as a primer. So that's kind of the double duty one of the first product that I'm going to show you. So I squirt a little bit into my hand, massage it into my hands, and then I just apply it all over my face. This is going to plump your skin up. It's going to look like, almost like your skin looks glass-like. It's beautiful. You can wear this with like other makeup, or you can just use it by itself. Make sure to run it down my neck as well. It absorbs really quickly into the skin. So after I've applied it that way, and then I just kind of gently pat it into my skin. There's no fragrance to this product, which is nice. So this product has 4 types of hyaluronic acid. It also has niacinamide that's going to help brighten your skin. Look at how beautifully radiant my skin looks and glowy. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous product. And then what I also like to do when I'm traveling, I have a little size of the Great Skin. So this is absolutely perfect if you are somebody that just has like a carry-on bag and you need all of, how you have all your liquids in that little bag that you have to get, I think it's 1 liter of liquids. It's just a little sample size. So once this is empty, then I just refill it with this one here because it's difficult sometimes to carry such a big bottle with you if you're traveling. And one of the phrases for Merit, what I really like about them is they're the antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty, which I will 100% agree with that phrase because they are products that are simple to use but versatile. And I like how they make products that are good for the environment, good for your skin, good for your body. And this wonderful glow will come through all day, like in whatever makeup I'm wearing. So next we're going in with the Minimalist, which is a complexion stick. So it's not a foundation and it's not a concealer, but it will act as both on your skin. I have this one in the shade Linen, so the packaging is just gorgeous. That's the shade right there. So what I usually do is apply it just all over my face and then blend it in with the Merit brush. And there's no really, you can't go wrong with this product. Like if you just apply it all over the place and even up here. This blends in, you'll see. This will blend in beautifully. And then this is the Merit #1 brush. What makes this brush really nice is very densely packed bristles, which then makes the blending really, really easy. And Merit has so many great skin-loving ingredients like squalene, vitamin B, and they make sure that all their products are designed for all skin types, whether you have dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin. It's great for all skin types. And they are also, their products are non-comedogenic, which means that they're not going to clog your pores. You see how easily this blends in? Isn't that amazing? This is a light to medium coverage product. This one does a great job of covering up my hyperpigmentation. And if you get a different shade to this, like for my complexion, I would just get a little bit of a darker shade and I could use that as a contour stick as well. My skin looks so hydrated after using this product. And you don't even necessarily have to use a brush with it. You can use just your fingers to blend it in if that feels like more natural for you. I'm just used to using a brush, so that's why I use it. And it's one of those mistake-proof products. Like you can't apply too much of this product. It will just look so beautiful on the skin. But just look how lovely this looks on my skin, how well it blended in. Like it looks so natural. And then I'm going to use it now as my concealer. So I'm just going to apply a little bit where I'm darkest. So just about that much. And then I'm going to use that same brush and just blend it in. I'm also going to take it up above my eye there just to kind of get rid of that redness I have on my eyelid. But look at how beautifully that blended in. And how well, like, it did such a nice job of covering up that darkness under my eye. So I love how the product, again, this is one of those other products that is doing double duty for me. So it's my like a foundation type of product, it's a concealer type of product, and just so easy to use. Like, even though I've used this as a concealer, it's never going to look dry under my eyes. Like, my eyes will still look hydrated by the end of the night. So great, great coverage. And something I did want to mention, that with every first order, you receive this Merit Signature bag. So it's a cute, cute little bag. There's a lot of room inside. You can stick all of your beauty products in there. Like, I use it to put a bunch of my makeup in here. I use it as a travel bag. I think this would be super cute as like a little clutch. If you just wanted to, like, you can just go like this and carry it as a little clutch. But look at that. That's just great. This is corduroy. I've washed this a few times and it still looks brand new. And with every $40 order, you get free shipping. So that's also a nice feature as well. Next, we're going to go in with the Bronze Balm. What I love about this product is I use it as my bronzer, and then I also use it as my eyeshadow. So I'll show you how I do that. So it's like a stick formula. I have this in the shade Clay. So I love this shade. It's never gives me like an orangey or brassiness kind of look to my skin. And I usually just swipe it on. This is like a buildable formula, but it gives a nice sheerness to the skin. It's one of those products, again, you just can't over apply it. It looks beautiful. It doesn't matter how much I put on of this product, it still looks natural. It gives me time to work with it as well. Even though it's like sitting on my face right now, it still gives me time to blend it out. Where some products sometimes will like instantly dry and you have a hard time blending it in. This one does not do that. It's creamy, never looks cakey on my skin at all. And I'm going to use that same brush, and then I just gently buff it in. Let's see how it just gives a nice warm flush of color. If you need more, just apply more. You can build it up. Look at how easily that blends in. And it's great for like sculpting. And then I'm just going to take the brush directly and do right under my chin. Just apply a little bit on my chin and then on my nose. Just kind of putting it where the sun would naturally hit my face. And see how easily that blended in? But yet it's just giving me a nice warmth to my complexion. And that's what I'm looking for. It looks hydrating as well. You can see how that glowiness is still coming through. And then what I'm going to do is put some on my finger, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid. Again, super quick and easy. Versatile product, using it for two different things. And even though it is a cream-based formula, it doesn't do any creasing on my eyelids at all. Like, that'll stay like that for the rest of the day. There's no creasing at all. So look how it just gave me a nice flush of color on my eyelids. It took away some of the redness that I had, and that sometimes all I do is just kind of throw that on and quickly put some mascara on, and I'm out the door. And then what I also do is I take that same bronzer and I run it underneath my lower lash line, just so everything is cohesive. Now next we're going to go in with one of my absolute favorite products from Merit, and that is the mascara. Now, if you're a regular viewer, you know I have this on my channel so much because I love this mascara. This is one of the best mascaras out there. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't flake. That's the wand. So it's not a complicated wand. It deposits the product great. It's a tubing mascara. So that means that when you go to remove it at the end of the night, one of the things that I will say is when you do remove a tubing mascara, make sure you use warm water. It's way easier to remove that way. But this gives me fantastic length on my lashes. My lashes look feathery. It doesn't ever get clumpy. It gets all into these little lashes. So this is just the one side done. Look at how wonderful that looks. Like, look at how feathery my lashes look. Isn't that amazing? It is just, I just can't describe the formula. It is just a wonderful mascara. I love it. I'll put, I think, well, the latest video I had it in was I did my yearly roundup, my yearly favorites of some eye products. And the mascara I did have as a favorite for the whole entire year. One of the best mascaras. And I also like it because it does a great job on the lower lash line. And see how great my lower lashes look. So now this is with both eyes done. And my lashes just like wispy. Like they look so wonderful. And even like my bottom lashes here. It even gets all these, like, I sometimes have difficulty trying to get into my little individual lashes on the edges here. But it even catches those ones. Great formula. Can't say enough about that mascara. So now this is a really super exciting part. So they have created a new shade of their famous Flesh Balm. So this is the shade Rouge. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. So when I use their Flesh Balms, I usually just apply it right to my cheek and then I'll blend it in with my finger. So that's it on my cheek. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. And then I just give it a second to kind of sit on my skin. And then I just gently buff it in. You can use, again, like your fingers. You can use a brush. Like, look at how easily that blends in. And I'm just using my fingers. Sometimes the warmth of your fingers just really does magic with your makeup. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. Oh, you guys, that's wonderful. What a beautiful shade. I know it probably looks really scary, doesn't it? It looks like it's a bright red, but it's not. Look at how gorgeous. It's like a nice pink shade. See, and that's what's so great about Merit products is they're buildable, but they're like a sheer coverage. And it's not lifting up like the other products that are underneath. It's not lifting up that product at all. Oh, that's just lovely. Put it on this side as well. Oh, that's just gorgeous. I love the shade. It's beautiful. So it's a really creamy texture that it's literally melting into my skin right now. It's going to give you like all their Flesh Balms just give you like a lit within glow. And I like how the color it's giving you like a nice hint of color, but it's still letting my natural skin poking through. Like you can see I still have a few like little freckles and stuff here poking through. So it's not hiding your natural skin. Their products are so lovely, being so lightweight. Like this doesn't feel heavy on my face at all. It's not going to look cakey at all. And then I'm going to just take that brush again and just gently buff it in. It has vitamin E, which is going to help condition your skin. Gorgeous. I love it. Now, one of the things that I will sometimes do with their Flesh Balm, but I'm not going to do it today because I want to use a lipstick today, but sometimes I'll just take this and use it as like a lip tint on my lips. So that's another, again, a product that you can use this as for multiple uses. But today we're going to go in with their lipstick. This is their signature lip in the shade Millennial. So it's like a gorgeous, gorgeous, like a rosy nude shade. Isn't that pretty? Thought that would look so nice with the whole completed look. One thing I like about their lipsticks is they are actually very hydrating and buildable. Super, like that feels really super smooth on my lips right now. It gives you like a satin-like appearance on your lips. It does come in a bunch of different shades. I did have one of those on my latest video about lip products. I had this, like the Merit lipstick, as one of my favorites for the year. Feels very lightweight on the lips. Doesn't feel like heavy at all. And then what I like to do is pair this with their Shade Slick. So their Shade Slick is a tinted lip oil. You guys know I love lip oils, so this one was right up my alley. This is in the shade Pink Beat. Have like a little wand. But these two colors together look beautiful together. And you can wear just the Shade Slick by itself. It feels so comfortable on the lip. This does have jojoba oil, which is going to help lock in that hydration on your lips. This is what the look looks like in natural light. I hope you can see how beautiful hydrated my skin looks. It looks glowy, but is giving me more of a natural look. So that's why I absolutely love Merit products. Don't forget to check out this wonderful new shade that they have in their Flesh Balm called Rouge. I think it gives such a beautiful flush of color to the skin. It looks gorgeous. Don't forget that with every first order, you get their signature bag. Like I said earlier, it's great for traveling. Like I use this all the time as my travel bag, like my travel makeup bag. And then it's just such a cute little bag that you can use it as a clutch. It just ties really nicely. Look at that. So cute. And with every $40 order, you get free shipping. And also, if you purchase Merit products in a set, they are discounted at 15%. So I will include all of that information down below, as well as my link to the website. So make sure to go check them out. Thank you to Merit for partnering with me once again on this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!